The residence will be epicenter of culture and arts here in Palawan. We want the residents to not just build, not just create, but we want to promote yung culture, arts, and history of Palawan. And we want it here because this will be part of our tours. We want to thank all our travel agencies, everybody who is in the tourism industry, especially si Mama Beth, Sir Shelo, who is promoting tourism and culture and arts. We want to showcase this. We are so proud of what the Filipinos can do. Kaya naman, sobrang excited namin dito sa The Residence. We want to invite everyone to join us here for this entire week. Help us celebrate the Filipino spirit. Help us celebrate Palaweños. No? We have also a featured food and product gallery on the other side. Ang kagandahan nito, lahat ng pagkain natin, tubong Palawan.
Palawan flavors.
Palawan flavors.
The best in Palawan.
We want to be able to utilize yung pagkain natin dito sa Palawan. Hindi siya in-import sa ibang lugar, kung hindi kinuha sa iba't ibang mga farms, iba't ibang mga munisipyo. And we will be showcasing that in the food and product part of this residence. Join us here. So you're not only going to see culture and arts and history, you're also going to see products as well as food here at the residence. So please join us.